Breaking sadness here in Oakland County as many are asking why one of their own, Dr. Calandra Green, had her life end in tragedy. It's not the type of statement Oakland County Executive Dave Coulter thought he would ever have to make.
Dr. Calandra Green, who is our health officer here in Oakland County, is deceased. It appears to have been a murder-suicide.
A tragedy allegedly committed by someone she took a vow to love and cherish.
You know, she was recently married within the last couple of years. She was still practically a newlywed, and from what we knew of Calandra, she was still a happy bride.
A devoted wife, mother, and stepmother, Calandra was also devoted to her work, making history as the first person of color to hold her current position.
One of the things her staff always told me is that they don't think she ever takes a day off.
So they knew something was wrong when Calandra did not show up for work on Thursday. That's when Calandra's mom was notified. She went over to her daughter's Pontiac home and knew something was wrong. The sheriff's department was called in and found Calandra and her husband were fatally shot. The medical examiner calling Calandra's death a homicide and her husband Charles Green's death a suicide.
Definitely shocking because they're right diagonal from us in our backyards.
The fact that she was murdered, frankly, leaves me really angry, on top of the grief and the sadness and the shock that I feel.
2 clinics were closed Friday so staff could grieve. Coulter says no one saw this coming.
There was no indication that there was any issues at home.
Now the county is reflecting on all Calandra accomplished.
That during the pandemic, she really took the lead on standing up all of our COVID testing and vaccine sites.
She also organized mental health services for the Oxford community after the deadly school shooting and was passionate to making sure all of Oakland County got access to public health services. Her colleagues knew she had so much more to accomplish.
The possibilities based on her abilities were endless.
During the press conference, I was asking the county executive how they plan to honor Dr. Green, and he says right now nothing is confirmed, but plans are in the works and that they will be special because that's what she was. In Waterford, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.